Every day, tankers pass underneath the Golden Gate Bridge, bringing crude oil to the Long Wharf at the Richmond Refinery. My name is Don Zaranandia, and I've worked for the Chevron Richmond Refinery for 28 years. And every day, I'm still fascinated by the complexity of what happens here at the plant. We were founded in 1902, and we've been in continuous operation ever since. But the story here really isn't about history. It's about what we are doing today. Our gasoline fuels 20% of the cars in Northern California. More than 60% of the planes at major Northern California airports use our jet fuel. We're the only refinery on the West Coast that produces lubricating base oils. Techron, a revolutionary fuel additive, was invented here in Richmond and is found all around the world. But that's not all that comes out of our Richmond facilities. Because Chevron is an economic engine for this community, supporting more than 3,800 local jobs. I'm proud of the fact that Chevron employees volunteer more than 1,000 hours on local community projects. On a daily basis, we process about 250,000 barrels of crude oil. At the Long Wharf, oil is offloaded from the ships and is pumped into our tank fields. From the tanks in the tank field, the material is then moved to the crude unit. From there, oil flows to units like our fluid catalytic cracker and hydrotreater. Cracking is the process where we change the molecular structure of a hydrocarbon into usable products such as gasoline, jet, and diesel fuels. Hydrogen is an essential part of the refining process that helps us meet the toughest fuel standards in the world. If there's one thing that draws us all together, that's safety. Safety is our #1 priority. The control room is where the control board operator manages the pressure, level, temperature, and flow of the material going through the plant. Our entire workforce is dedicated to safety, and half of that workforce has a primary function in managing safety systems. At our core are the tenets of operation. We will do it safely or not at all, and there's always time to do it right. The flare systems that we have are part of the safety systems of the refinery. The steam or water vapor that you sometimes see coming from our equipment is a normal part of the refining process. Something else to know, air quality at the refinery and in the neighborhoods is monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's all going to get even better. In the next several years, Chevron will be spending $1 billion to modernize the Richmond refinery. Our goal is a newer, safer, cleaner refinery. There's a saying that knowledge is power, but it's also understanding. If you have a question or a comment about how we can be a better neighbor, we want to hear from you. Please contact us. Thanks for watching.